I built my own hacking tool with barely any coding skills. No, seriously. And it actually works. I was tired of using tools that break, don't store anything, or just vanish when I shut my PC down. So I made my own. Not because I'm a pro coder, because I was frustrated just like you. This isn't a coding tutorial. It's a story of how I hacked together my own red team tool using Python, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and made it save files on Telegram, run 24/7 on a VPS, and beat the limitations of tools like Stormbreaker and Seeker. Look, I'm not a Python god. In fact, my first few scripts looked like my cat walked across the keyboard. But guess what? It worked. Coding, 99% Googling, 1% praying. Here's what it can do. /cam, hack the camera, /LOC, get GPS location, /video, record video from the target's device, /mic, hack the mic. Oh, and clone phishing pages like Google or Instagram in seconds. None of this matters if your tool dies the second your PC sleeps. That was the flaw in Seeker and Stormbreaker. Everything saved locally. Useless. So I fixed it. I made it save files directly to a Telegram bot and channel, even from a free Flask VPS server. Result? Remote, persistent access on any OS. Run it on Windows or Linux. Doesn't matter. And yeah, I used Flask, Telegram bot API, requests, Gunicorn, tools anyone can use. Even you, especially you. If you want to build your own tool like this, or improve the ones you use, check out my other video, Top 11 Python Hacking Tools on GitHub, or see why hackers love Python. Trust me, it'll make you laugh, and learn. I didn't wait to become an expert. I built something useful with what I had. So what's stopping you? Hit that like if you want more hacks. Subscribe to join the red team, and comment if you want the source code. Just don't get caught.